good YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I'm Sam Alxr. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my first sneaker pickup of 2019. These I got for such a crazy steal. I've never had this model of Jordans before and I'm super hyped to show you what I picked up. Before I start the video though, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below and turn on those notifications when I upload, which is every single day. If you do enjoy this video, leave a thumbs up too. And without further ado, let's get into it. And here they are. These are my first sneaker pickup of 2019. Before I get into showing you the shoes, I want you to guess what these are. Obviously you can tell they're Jordan 1 by the box, but what colourway do you think they are? I want you to guess what I'm going over the box and the sizing. Getting into the shoe box, they come in that black and red Nike Jordan 1 box. Got that size tag on the front. I did go true to size on these. I've never had this model of Jordans before, so I figured I'd just go ahead and go true to size. I would usually go half a size down when I pick up a new pair of shoes, just to make sure that they don't crease or anything. But I really wasn't sure, so I went true to size and I picked up a size 10. Getting into the actual shoes, these are the, oh you can already kind of see, but they are the Jordan 1 Hyper Wheels, which are so sick in my opinion. I've never had a pair of Jordan 1s before. These are definitely a nice pair to add to the collection. I've never actually had an all blue pair of shoes before either, I don't think. No, I think this is the first time I've ever had. Oh my days. Never had an all pair of blue pair of shoes before, so like super hyped to add these to my collection. I never had a pair of Jordan 1s before either, so to get my first ever pair for half price for only £65. I did get these from Offspring, so if you do want to check them out, I'll leave a link in the description. Such a crazy steal. £65 for a pair of Jordan 1s, that's less than a pair of Air Force. So I'm super hyped about that. Getting into the actual shoes though, you've got that blue upper and that super soft leather. The leather on these is like insanely soft. Same with the swoosh too. The swoosh is pretty soft. It's not as soft as this bit, but it's definitely soft. The foot of the shoe isn't as soft. It's kind of like a harder leather. That's probably a good thing though, because it means it's less likely to crease. The inside is already kind of creased. I haven't tried on mine or worn them yet, but I think these are going to crease up pretty badly, definitely on the side. But it'll probably look more like natural distressing, natural creasing, rather than just looking like I've worn them loads. You've got that whitish, it looks white, but it's kind of creamy. I know on film it looks white, but in person it's more of a creamy colour, and same for the swoosh as well. The swoosh is more of a cream off-white colour. Moving up, you have that Jordan Wings logo on the side, and then that Nike Air on the tongue. You got those blue laces, and then they also came with these white laces too. I think I might do white laces, or maybe I'll just do like blue on one side and then white on the other. Not too sure yet, not sure how I'm going to lace them either, but I'm going to do it on feet, so make sure you stay tuned for the end of the video and you probably see how I lace them then. Getting into the bottom of the shoe, you have that blue sole. I think this is the same colour as the royal blue ones, the sole of the shoe. I was thinking about doing a custom on these, so turning these into the royal blue ones. I think that could look so fire, because the royal blue ones is much more of a darker blue compared to this, so it could make a nice contrast of having like a lighter blue pair of royal ones. So if that's something you want to see, make sure to let me know in the comments, because I do think that could turn out fire. Turning these into the royal ones, that could be sick. I'm going to get onto doing it on feet now, but before I do, make sure to let me know in the comments, do you think this is a steal or not? Personally, I think it's £65 for a pair of Jordan 1s. It's like crazy cheap. That's cheaper than a pair of Air Force. So I definitely do think they're a steal, but make sure to let me know in the comments what you think. So I'm going to get onto on feet now. Before I do, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below, turn the bell to get notifications when I upload, which is every single day. Leave a thumbs up too, and without further ado, I'm going to get onto on feet.
Damn, back at it again. Skip with the van, fresh the hoodie. Keep my pockets smelling of money. Taking out, nah, don't be funny. What's attractive at a hook? This one, Peter Pan, come on, sing along. Holding the plan, he said come kick it in Neverland. Moved a few pair of shoes, made a couple of grand. Blue and Gucci, I'm back on the web, cloud surfing the bands. Come with a new naughty Spider-Man. Hey Spidey.